Dumelang Sanbonani Absheni Lochani here's what happened on Mobango 19 March 2021. Rendani was worried about Marang and Imani because their phones were off and Marang had a gun. Gugu told her to calm down, they will show up. Rendani said it's getting out of hands. Eventually they came back. Marang said they dropped the money and they are fine. Imani said Marang wanted to shoot her and she's crazy. Marang left them. The police came to the royals and told them that they have searched everywhere and they couldn't find the baby. They will go back tomorrow cause it's late. Kizara said Mulalo must come clean. He started crying and said he doesn't know what really happened to his son. Marang met up with Belinda at Dugatole and said she's sorry how she spoke to her the other day. Belinda said she understands after what happened at her wedding and asked her how she's holding up. Marang said she's going through hell. She respected James and loved him. Why would he go to Imani and what is wrong with her? Belinda said it has nothing to do with her. Men are heartless. Kizara insisted that Mulalo must talk before they hit him. Deboho was crying and asked him what did he do. He said he had a dream and Mulimisi confirmed the dream, that it was real and it came from ancestors and they chose Luruli. They asked him to perform a ritual with him. Omasindi asked him that how could he sacrifice with his own son. She was so emotional. Deboho cried shame. James called Imani in his office and asked her what's wrong. Imani gave him attitude and said it's over. He must leave her alone. James said that something happened to her and it has to do with the confession she made. They need to talk. Imani said she can't tell him. It's better he doesn't know. James said he really loves her and she must trust him. He will never judge her. He then took a ring on his pocket and said he was going to propose to her. Imani said she can't marry him. James asked her if did someone force her to write the letter she wrote or does she have anything to do with Vuyo's disappearance. Imani said she can't tell him. It's too dangerous. James said she's being threatened. She asked him who is it. Imani left him and banged his door on her way out. Mulimisi threw the bones and asked the ancestors, where's Luruli? While he was busy with it, Kizara and Makadzi walked in and said what's going on. Mulimisi said he can't see anything. Kizara was livid and asked him that how can he encourage Mulalo to perform the ritual knowing exactly that Mulalo is crazy. He said Mulalo is not crazy. They gave him an instruction to sit on the throne. Kizara said why would they punish him and where's the child? Imani broke down and he was thinking about Vuyo and she saw Vuyo's blood in her hands. She told Gugu she can't live with what she has done. Mulalo also broke down in his throne and said he did everything that he was told by the ancestors. Now he lost his child. Mkondoreli asked him who he's talking to. He said he's talking alone. Can't you see that? Mkondoreli said he's a chief now. People will think he's crazy if they see him. He said he killed his own son and asked forgiveness and said he did so that ancestors can make him a powerful chief. Mkondoreli said he's crazy. Mulalo said he's not crazy. How many times he must say that? Mkondoreli said he's tired of him and her heart is bleeding. She's humiliated her. She can't even go outside. Mulalo said she mustn't dare pin it on him. Its ancestors and Mulimisi misled him. Mkondoreli said she's disowning him. She's sick and tired of him. She really cried. She mustn't comforted her. Hulisani checked Rendani's phone and saw everything. Rendani asked him what was he doing with her phone. He showed him her phone and asked if she killed Vuyo. Rendani confessed and begged him not to tell anyone. Hulisani said that he will not become an accomplice. He then left her. Huli packed everything and said to Rendani he's leaving. Rendani apologized to him and Hulisani wasn't having it and said it wasn't an accident. They hit the body and said he can't do it anymore. Shame man, Rendani was crying. Azwindini visited Mulimisi and said he mustn't gaze at the throne, he must sit on it. Mulalo said he must shut up. Azwindini said he knows the challenges of the throne. Mulalo apologized and said he doesn't know what came over him. The police came and said that they didn't find the body. They only got the shoes and said maybe their child is dead. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more episodes on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.